Maintaining healthy vision is crucial for fully enjoying life. Our eyes truly are the window to the world around us. Discovering foods that can enhance our vision is like finding a treasure trove for ocular health. Let's explore 5 foods that can work wonders for eyes amidst technological advancement and modern lifestyle. Our eyes are often exposed to long hours in front of computer screens, tablets, and smartphones. This prolonged exposure can lead to eye fatigue and other vision problems. However, a diet rich in certain foods can help strengthen and protect our precious eyes. Number 1. Carrots. This vegetable is not only a favorite of rabbits, but also of ophthalmologists. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for eye health, aiding not only in daytime vision, but also in night vision and adaptation to low-light environments. Additionally, carrots contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the eyes against damage from blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Number 2. Spinach. Rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants, spinach is a true superfood for the eyes. These nutrients not only help protect the eyes against damage from UV sunlight, but can also improve visual acuity and reduce the risk of cataract. Moreover, spinach is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is important for the health of the blood vessels in the eyes, helping prevent conditions such as diabetic retinopathy. Number 3. Salmon. This fish is an abundant source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help prevent dry eye syndrome by reducing inflammation on the ocular surface. Additionally, omega-3s are essential for retinal health, helping maintain the structural integrity of photoreceptor cells. Salmon is also rich in astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the eyes against oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to sharper and healthier vision. Number 4. Eggs. Egg yolks are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient essential for eye health. Choline plays a key role in the production of neurotransmitters that are essential for the transmission of visual signals from the eye to the brain. Additionally, choline helps prevent the development of cataracts by protecting the cells of the eye lens against oxidative damage. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, which can help reduce the risk of inflammatory eye diseases such as uveitis and promote overall eye health. Number 5. Blueberries. These small blue fruits are true treasures for ocular health. They are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which help protect the eyes against damage from free radicals and reduce ocular inflammation. Furthermore, studies have shown that blueberries can improve the function of the blood vessels in the eyes, and promoting better blood circulation and helping prevent conditions such as glaucoma. Hey, if you enjoyed this type of video with healthy tips, take a moment to subscribe to the channel to see the other tips I'll be posting. Each of these foods contains specific nutrients that benefit eye health. Vitamin from carrots, for example, is essential for the formation of rhodopsin, a pigment necessary for vision in low-light conditions. The antioxidants found in spinach and blueberries help protect the eyes against free radical damage, while the omega-3s from salmon contribute to the structure of the eye's cell membranes. In addition to these 5 foods, there are many others that can improve ocular health. Dark leafy greens such as kale and broccoli are also excellent sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Citrus fruits like oranges and kiwis provide vitamin C, which is important for the health of the blood vessels in the eyes. Incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can not only improve your vision, but also contribute to your overall health. Try adding a spinach salad with boiled eggs and blueberries for lunch, or grilling a salmon fillet with roasted carrots for dinner. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in vision-enhancing foods is a simple and delicious way to take care of your eye health. From crunchy carrots to succulent blueberries, there's an abundance of choices to select from. So don't forget to include these foods on your next shopping list and enjoy the benefits for your ocular health. Your eyes will thank you. Thank you very much, and until the next video.